Welcome back to the channel. On the bus again, still going home soon. There's a ticket machine. There you go. Peek on. Window wipers redone. Camera's been found. Installation. There's my door. Used to be first, obviously, which is going on mine. We should get help with that eventually. It's all manual destination boards, which I do like about it. It's a very hard work though. Very hard work. The redrose truck. This used to be a redrose training vehicle at one point. This is kind of funny. Which definitely was a redrose vehicle. I'm the owner of the channel and the vehicle. She's getting moved to Town and District Transport Trust. Cab is my seat. That's been painted gold. A few things I need altering. Other than that, I do work for NHS as well. As many as you probably recognise me from working in Bolton, as that's where I'm from currently, and hopefully will be until I move back though. This bus will be at Town and District as stated, so I'll be there on the open events in 4th and 5th of September, Saturday and Sunday. I'll be there on Saturday because I need to book the day off for work. You can enter the vehicle if I'm here, which is not a problem by me. There you go. There's the height. No smoking. Cameras. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. Share family and friends. There's over 90% of people who watch my videos have not subscribed for some unknown reason. Please do. Also, I can still keep doing these videos right here, but it doesn't make a difference. It just helps me fund, or partly fund, the bus being fixed. Most of it are coming out of my wages, so. Got the links on the YouTube channel for GoFund and Patreon, because we start at the same place as manned buses. Yay. Just want to know my name. Right. Time for me to go. It's bloody warm this one. There you go. Just tag me into it when you see this post out on the road. 29th of June. Tag me into it. It's kind of a laugh. It's an inappropriate joke, but it's 69C. It's not dirty unless you think it's dirty. Cost me £2,000. And the last payment on 29th of June. 28 days from now. And she's mine now fully. The last payment secures it for me. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Hit the thumbs up. I always reply to comments, as most of you always know I already do. And subscribe to the channel. It's time for me to go on. Thanks for